Understanding, on the mend, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, on the mend. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, on the mend, typically refers to the process of recovering or improving from an illness or a difficult situation. It's often used to talk about health, but can also be applied to other areas of life, like relationships or business. For example, if someone says, I'm on the mend after the flu, it means they are recovering from the flu. Understanding the origin of phrases can make them easier to remember. The phrase, on the mend, dates back to when mend meant to repair. So, when something is on the mend, it's like it's being repaired or put back into a good state. It's important to know how to correctly use this phrase in a sentence. Here are a few examples. After the surgery, my grandmother is on the mend and feeling better every day. Our relationship was rocky, but now it's on the mend. The company's profits are on the mend after a tough year. There are several other phrases and words that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include recovering, getting better, healing, improving. And that's a wrap on the phrase, on the mend. Remember, it's a versatile expression used to describe improvement or recovery in various contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.